A new revolutionary green roofing breakthrough is now saving property owners thousands of dollars on roof replacement by greatly extending roof life. Asphalt roof shingles have essential oil that allows for daily expansion and contraction, and as they age, this oil begins to dry out, causing the asphalt to become brittle and slowly break apart. Roof Maxx is the world's first sustainable roofing solution because it rejuvenates a roof by resaturating it with millions of microbeads of all-natural bio-oil. Like skin moisturizer for your roof, it quickly restores flexibility and waterproofing protection, guaranteed for 5 years. The all-natural treatment is 100% safe for people, pets, property, and the environment. And a Roof Maxx treatment is quick, easy, and very affordable. Get more life for less money with Roof Maxx. A powerful fusion of science and nature.